If you need to recover your PayPal account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the PayPal login page. Go to the official PayPal website and click on the login button. When prompted, select the option for having trouble logging in to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your PayPal account. This is necessary for PayPal to identify your account and send you recovery options. Step 3. Choose recovery options. After entering your email, you will be presented with recovery options. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select the option that allows you to receive a code via email or answer security questions. Step 4. Follow the instructions. If you chose to receive an email, check your inbox for a message from PayPal. Follow the link in the email to reset your password or verify your identity. If you opted for security questions, answer them correctly to proceed. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, update your phone number and any other outdated information. This will help ensure you can recover your account more easily in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your PayPal account without needing your phone number. Always keep your account information up to date to avoid similar issues in the future.